Today, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Base44 quickly and easily. If you've been looking for a simple way to make changes in your project without getting lost in extra menus, this is the exact process to follow. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the project you want to edit inside Base44. Make sure you're in the correct project before changing anything, so you don't accidentally update the wrong content. Once the project is open, look at the top of the screen and click the Edit button. This is the main option you need to start making changes. After you click Edit, the text fields or content area will become editable. Now make the change according to your need. You can correct wording, update a sentence, replace a title, or adjust any text element that needs to be changed. Take your time here, and make sure the new text is exactly how you want it to appear. Once you've finished editing, save your changes if Base44 prompts you to do so. Always double-check the updated text to confirm everything looks right before moving on. That way you know your project is updated properly and nothing was missed. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to edit text in Base44. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy guides, and I'll see you in the next one.